How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of ringing in your ear after loud noise. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. Now, ringing in the ear is very common after super loud noise. So we're talking concerts, maybe you're around noisy machinery. It doesn't matter, anything like that. Usually it's loud concerts, anything with a loud noise. Especially if you listen to it for a long period of time, it can cause ringing in the ear. Now, the number one thing you can do, in my opinion, the number one thing is to use a warm compress. So get a warm compress, hold it on your ear for about 4 to 5 minutes, wherever the ringing is. If it's in both ears, get 2 compresses, hold it on the ears for about 4 to 5 minutes. This is gonna help with some of the pain. Your ears might be a little bit sore. It just helps overall in general with a little bit of the pain. Now, for the actual ringing itself, it can become very, very annoying. The good thing about it is most of the ringing will go away in about 10 to 12 hours, sometimes a day, but majority of the time it does eventually go away. I went to a super loud concert the one time, took about 12 to 14 hours, ringing was gone. But I was really nervous. I'm like, is this gonna constantly ring my ear for 12 hours? No, it does go away. What you can do in the meantime, and what I did while I was trying to go to bed because I didn't want the ringing in the ear, is I listened to background music. You can listen to background music or what they call white noise. White noise is literally just something in the background, maybe like rainfall, waterfall, doesn't matter, just a little bit of noise to kind of get your ears to listen to something else other than that ringing sound itself. So what I did is I didn't listen to no rainfalls or anything like that. I just turned the TV on. I put a movie on. I put it to a very low volume and I kind of just listened to the movie, and that really helped to get rid of the ringing in my ear. So that's what I recommend. It works pretty good. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.